Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales with a look at a fresh trade. This one a 2019 Puma 32 FBIS. A couple great features on this one. You've got dual entries. One goes right into the bedroom, one goes right into the main social space. You've got a front outside kitchen on this one. You've got a slide in the middle of the trailer on the camp side, which really opens things up on the inside. We'll take a look at that in a second. As we head inside, you'll see the bunk room in this unit is right at the front of the trailer. So you've got two bunks on one side, nice storage space in the middle with the kickstand ladder, and you've got another bunk here on the opposite side, and of course that outdoor kitchen's housed inside there, but you've got some closet space as well. So you do have some storage. There's a room spot there rather for a TV. You've got a USB port for charging. Really nice full feature bunk room. We'll step right inside, take a look. These are nice teddy bear mattresses on this. USB charging port on the bunks on either side as well, so the kids can get their devices charged. Taking a look at the social space of the camper with that slide out on the campsite, you do get an island kitchen, which is a nice high-rise faucet over top of the barn-style sink. Slide out has all your kitchen appliances on it, so you've got your two-way fridge, you've got your 3-burner cooktop, nice little range, microwave over top, and some storage all throughout. Nice pantry storage here as well. The way the camper's laid out really affords some extra space, and one of the features that we like in this Puma in particular is that it's got a skylight in the kitchen, so really brings a lot of brightness to the atmosphere. On the other slide, we've got a U-shaped dinette that'll drop down and create a nice bed, but a great social space. You want to sit around and play some cards, have the family in for a meal on one of those days it's not so nice out. You have that option as well. You've got a fold-out couch, a little bit of storage above. Let's take a seat on the couch and take a look at this nice entertainment center. You've got a fireplace, you've got a Bluetooth entertainment system, and you've got a TV already plumbed into this one, a nice Samsung unit. Really everything you need. Let's take a look around. You can see the space that the opposing slide create. Lots of floor space. Room to get comfortable. Room for the kids to get up in the front in the bunk and enjoy themselves. And at the back of the trailer, to the left as we head in, you do have a full featured washroom with good floor space, foot flush toilet, medicine cabinet above the sink, corner shower unit, and another skylight to really brighten things up. Bedroom at the back is on a slide. It's got a unique desk layout to the wardrobe. So if you want to get some work done while you're away, maybe just set a TV up there, maybe you just want to have a laptop there so you can do a little web surfing, that sort of thing. Nice to have that feature as well. Also maybe serves as a makeup table. You want to sit and get ready to go. If you're into that sort of vibe while you're camping, you've got that option as well. And there's the secondary door, which really makes it a lot easier. If you want to just sort of step in and go to bed, you don't have to go all the way through the camper to do that. Bedroom platform is on a slide. We're going to owe you a mattress in this one, but it is a beautiful layout. You've got little tables on either side of the unit. You've got storage above. You've got a window, and you've got another window over here, so you can get those both open, get a little breeze going, and of course you've got all kinds of storage with that wardrobe space above the desk and off to the right. So this has been a look at a 2019 Puma 32 FBIS, great little family camper. Nice setup for a seasonal lot. You can certainly tow this one. It is just under 9,000 pounds dry, so with the right truck, you can certainly move around with this one as well. But with the length of it at 32 feet, lots of room to set up on a seasonal spot or on a private patch of land. Get yourself all set up and ready to go for the long weekend, which is only 2 weeks away. Come in and see us here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis, Leisure Time Sales in Moncton. We'll get you all set up, find a camper for you, and get you ready to go and enjoy yourself this spring and summer.